My channel. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, an airline commander, we're gonna be doing the charter fleet. All right, this one right here. Charter fleet allows you to get some extra money besides from the contracts and routes. All right, so go ahead and click on it. So when you first go in, I only got 2 planes, but they have several planes here, but they're not easy to get. I'll be honest. Like for example, this Airbus A319. I need 8,999 of those little green thingies. I only have 110. All right, so it takes a little bit to get those. I don't really focus on it. Whatever I got this the Airbus A310 because I think once I had paid for the season pass. I don't really like paying for stuff when it comes to games. I'd rather just earn it, even if it take a long time. All right. So when it comes to the charter fleet, you can fly some routes that are already given to you, like these ones here, and these are like quick flights. They say full flight, some of them. They're quick flights. Basically, a quick flight is you're gonna taxi, take off, do the pattern, and land. Whichever one you do, let's say you taxi first, then you're not gonna have to. You don't taxi when you land. All right, you don't do both of them. You don't taxi and taxi. You understand? So if you even might take off first. You might just go straight to the takeoff, but then you will have to taxi when you land at the other place. All right. And basically, you just fly the patterns. Take off, fly pattern, and then fly pattern and land. All right. So this one is Reno to Denver. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Let me see what other ones they got. Cause Denver, I don't like Denver that much because the taxi is long, a really long taxi. So if I could try to land somewhere else, let's see, Madison to Denver. Now, or another thing you can do, right? You go to the charter hangar, and you basically click this part right here. Let's see. You see what's at. I was trying to, but you see it. Sure you do. All right, so you go to charter hangar. Then you go to custom flight. All right, custom flight. Now with custom flight, you're gonna see all the airports that you have open over here in this list. All right, so all the airports, and then you could pick destinations. So for example, I'm going to fly out of Dallas, Fort Worth International Airport. We're going to go to Myrtle Beach real quick, all right? We're going to take a group of kids to Myrtle Beach. All right, so let's go ahead and get into that. So these ones you don't earn any money, you just earn like little points. Okay, why is this like this? Thank you. Here we go. It's messing up or something.
Delta 1971 Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company Airbus.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company at November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta
Alpha 2684, roger.
Endeavor 3514 at Papa Cross the wind on the left, join Lima, 0.75.
At Papa Cross 9 West, Lima, 0.75, Endeavor 3514.
438, Travis 2.5 out, cross for 1 out of right, then turn left on November.
Cross side right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left door, hold short of Papa, Southwest 9012.
Alrighty.
Endeavor. 3301, disregard traffic.
Departure, good night.
Good night, man.
Coming out of left, join Lima, 1971 at Papa Cross for 1 out of left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cross line of Papa, join Lima, 0.75, Airline 231.
2438 at Papa Cross for 1 out of left, join Lima, 0.75.
Departure for Delta 1. Takeoff the right on Airbus, Southwest 5614 on a Airline, right, run up away. 8 right, run up away, Southwest 5614.
Alright, taxi's not that long. But like me, some very short taxis. I know I'm not screening it like this, but
On November, hold short of Papa.
Hey, cross 9 right, at Sierra Charlie, left on November, short of Papa, Delta 2449.
what is it? Enjoy the
8 right, quick takeoff, Southwest 5614. Delta Papa, 3 on a Airline, right, run up away.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Route 3 cross right, left on November, Delta 1370, taxi 5 into loop. Take a loop, Delta 1370.
Middle line.
Land on right, Delta 440. On a Airline, right, run up away. Run up away, right, Delta 2365. And then, somewhat to the left, Delta 24.
Number 1376 at Papa Cross for 1 out of left, join Lima, 0.75.
Heavy traffic, 3 miles. That's the approach then. Crossway left, give way to 171 from the left, taxi on the 3 right. Okay, clear to cross 8 left at Hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 724 Heavy. That's 2338, give way to FedEx at Hotel. Give way to FedEx at Hotel, that's 2338. FedEx 724 Heavy, change the tower frequency 125.32. 2532, FedEx 724. So 85 Heavy Power 11708, runway 8 left for land. That was 4690, exit at taxiway Bravo 11, taxi Victor Loop. Bravo 11, Victor Loop, gas 4690, good day.
we're gonna put our flaps name.
Clear for takeoff, RNAV, Ronnie, Delta 766. Delta 1682, Atlanta Tower, runway right, line up away. Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, 8 right.
Delta 1705, line of tower 1807, someone on the right, middle lane. Middle lane, 99,
7 on as the widest one out of the mic. Please take off.
coming out of right.
American 629 on Airline, right on plate.
Out of way, red, American 629.
That was from 61, good at the park, good at.
From 61, good at.
About to put the man in here. That's what's good to be pulling out your checklist.
Runway 9 right, turn left on November behind company.
Like when you take off, you know the next thing you're doing there. Sometimes you get spaced out.
2684 company in November 2 is going to follow. Airport stop 14 5 cross 1 on the left, go Lima, 175.
And Papa Cross 9 West, 175, airport stop 14.
438, grab 2.5 off, cross 1 on the right, turn left on November.
Left on November, Delta 2438.
South of 90, turn left on November, hold for the pop.
Second.
Left door, hold for the pop, Delta 9012. Denver, no one to start coming.
Coming out of left, go Lima, 175.
Cross 1, 9 left on, lane 175.
1971, Papa cross 1 out of left, go Lima, 175.
Cross line of Papa Charlie, left 175, 1971.
2438, Papa cross 1 out of left, go Lima, 175.
Left side, left from Papa. And departure for Delta 94, yes, they're going to depart.
Myrtle Beach.
75, 87 on that.
Number one man.
Right, let him away. That's what
Left on November behind Southwest.
Emerald Country cross right. Left on November.
Delta 1378, taxi 5, next Louisa. Take a look, Delta 1378.
Double 1376, the Papa cross 1 out of left, go Lima, 175.
Speed at 50%.
300 minimum. 200.
Third cross, left at hotel, hold short on the right, with
100. 50. 30. Retard.
See what it said, right? Perfect man, yes. Just making sure. Just making sure. When I get to the runway, I like to glide over it a little bit. It's one of the ways you guarantee a perfect landing. Not perfect and good, you know? Jenny. There we go. All finished. We went from Dallas to Myrtle Beach. Yeah. All right, until next video. Right now, I'm currently trying to get it's gonna take a little bit, you know, because I don't pay for stuff. I might do some time, but this license right here gonna take a while to get. Where's it at? I need 6 million, basically 6.5. I only got 3 million now. Got a little bit to go. I ain't. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye. Bam, bam, bam.